What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know you looking at my hair wet. We're gonna get to that, okay? But thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are new here, thank you for coming. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, turn on your notification bell. You know, do the whole routine. Why not? It don't hurt you. It helps me. It won't do nothing to you. So just don't be a hater, be a helper, you know. If you are not new here, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am doing the extended pony. Okay, I don't really know the right name for it, the extendo, whatever you want to call it. It is the extended braided ponytail, and I've really been into these protective styles that don't take a lot of work, and they're kind of quick, and they last you about a week or so. Then you take your hair down, you wash, you do something else. So I've been really into those lately. If you saw my last video where I did the 2 feed-in braids, cornrows going down the side, that was really quick, lasted me about a week. Took my hair down, did something. Now I'm doing something else. So I was super inspired by Happy Curl Happy Girl, which she said she was inspired by another YouTuber. Don't know her name. I think it's like Vaughn or something, but I'll probably link their videos down below. So I'm gonna put my own little spin on it. It's not too much you can deviate from how to do it. It's like a regular ponytail, but I think it gives your regular low ponies a little, you know, a little spice, you know. So that is what we are doing today. As you can see, I already washed my hair. I applied the moisturizer that I'm going to be using already. I do that as soon as I rinse out my hair. And we're just gonna get to the part of forming and molding the pony. So my hair is damp. Of course, I'm not gonna blow out my hair for this style. I'm gonna just go with my natural hair, my natural pattern. I'm gonna do a middle part, going straight down the middle. All right, y'all, so that's how we're gonna do it. I kind of want to mold in sections just because I want it like really molded. Let me get a clip. I'm gonna start with this side. It should be super easy to detangle though. Yeah. No issues here. Okay. And I'm using a gel that I think is kind of healthy for my hair. That's not like horrible for my hair, since I'm using so much of it. It's jam, so okay. And I'm gonna use a tangle teaser to kind of get my roots flat. Okay. And just because we want the top flat, I'm gonna split that in half too. And add a little gel in between there. Or jam. I keep saying gel. Okay, y'all, I got it about as slick as I'm finna do. I ain't finna keep playing with this. So, because it's gonna be in a ponytail for a week, I want to use a ponytail holder that's as protective as possible, I guess I can say. So, I got these like satin scrunchies that I swear I live by now. Those are the only things I use for ponytails. And this is the one I'm gonna use for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on there. Before I braid, I want my ponytail to dry a little bit more because it ain't gonna hold like I need it to hold and look how I need it to look if I do it on soaking wet hair. So in the meantime, we're gonna work on going back to molding this ponytail, making it, you know, how we want it to look. Okay, y'all, back at the molding. I'm gonna go in with the tropical root foam. Put that all over top of my head. And we're not done with the foam, but right now we're gonna let that sit. And I'm gonna use Hicks edges. I know this is not the greatest edge control, but I'm using it because if I'm gonna have this in my hair for a week, I'm gonna be styling my edges a little bit more frequently. And this one doesn't flake when you add more product on it, and it doesn't like look bad when you keep redoing it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, baby hairs are applied. Then we're going back in with some foam, and this time we're just gonna paste the whole thing. We gonna include the edges, and don't be too rough on the edges when you're applying the foam because you'll mess them up. You feel me? And we ain't just do all that crafting and shape shifting to mess them up. Okay. I feel like I'm doing like finger waves or something, like, ooh, the pastiness. And make sure you get around the formation of that ponytail, because nothing worse than everything else looking sleek and then you got like frizzies and stuff right around the base of where your ponytail gripping. So get that too. Am I applying too much? Probably. All right, then if you watch my videos, you should know what's coming next. 2 scarf shorty. Break it down. 1 for the edges, 1 for the frame of the hair. Okay. said, I'm gonna let this set for the rest of the video. And I'm gonna let my ponytail dry just a little bit because I want it to be low-key kind of dry. It's still too wet. So I'm gonna come back when I'm ready to braid. Okay, you guys, so I thought I was going to make this a talking video, so if you do see my lips moving at some point during this, just know it's because I thought I was going to talk through the video, but I decided to do a voiceover. So I took the hair and I split it into 3 pieces, and I'm going to take my natural hair and I'm going to do the exact same thing, splitting it into 3 separate pieces. And the weave, I'm going to feed it in under my hair, so it's a little easier to see than me actually trying to explain it. But I'm just going to start it like a regular plait, and then I'm going to feed in hair under, so it can kind of disguise the fact that you're feeding it in. Like, you won't see that lump if you do under. And I catch it with my middle finger and my thumb, and then I just braid one go round, and then when we get back to that side again, I feed in another piece of hair. I'm tucking it under, grabbing it with my middle finger and my thumb, and then I'm just braiding like normal. And then I'm going to do it one more time for the 3rd piece. And right here, you just see me trying to tuck my curly hair a little bit under the weave so it won't like fray out as I braid. Because as I braid down, of course, I'm going to run out of my natural hair. So I want it to kind of be a little concealed. But you know what? Natural hair, you can't 100% conceal it. So, which is not a big thing to me. If you wanted your hair to blend a little bit more with the braiding hair, of course you could blow it out, but I had been blowing my hair out so much I was trying to avoid that, and it came out good. So you can do it either way. So yeah, I'm just braiding it down now, and I'm gonna try to make sure I get my curly ends kind of tucked under, and I just braid it to the end is what you see me doing now. And I want to do more styles like this, like simple protective styles that don't take you too long, that you can like rock for a little bit and then switch it up. So I do plan on doing more braiding styles, or just little quick styles like this. I got a couple in mind actually, so look forward to those coming on my channel. I just continue to bring this down, and then when I get about 1 inch away from the bottom, I apply an elastic, and then I'm going to apply a flexi rod and dip it just so the ends can be a little curly. And then y'all just gonna see how this braid came out. Even though I didn't blow out my hair, it came out bomb. It came out really good. And as you can see, I'm talking because I thought I was gonna do a video, but look at the slickage. Look at the slickage. Hold up. Like, this is that is that your hair? Caucasian 500. I'm promising y'all, this is fire. Something so simple but still so cute. Like, it's so dignified. Like, you can wear this to a little meeting, you know what I'm saying? This is fire. Look at that one curl that didn't want to go in the braid. So disrespectful. But y'all, I like it. It came out good. Like I said, if you don't want the texture, you can always blow out your hair, but I'm cool with it. Yeah, y'all, that is the final look. I hope y'all like the way it turned out. Make sure y'all are subscribed. Make sure that notification bell is on. And I will catch y'all next Wednesday, because I upload every single Wednesday. Peace.